Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install XAMPP new version on Windows 10. Type XAMPP download on Windows search bar. Click download XAMPP. Download latest XAMPP version. Open downloaded file. Click yes to continue. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click allow access. Click finish. XAMPP successfully installed on your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.